morning, everybody. Welcome back. Welcome back, guys. I hope you're doing amazing. I hope you're doing great. Welcome back. New trading session and Friday it is. Let's get to the point because we are a bit late. As always, we're a bit late, but we're here in the game. Daily chart, negative. Bounced very nicely yesterday. We recovered this 550 area. It seems like the area wants to like bother us, but beautiful. Yesterday we had a beautiful bounce again twice on during the day, twice, but no opportunity for me, unfortunately. We have some kind of support around this area. You can see it. This 550, 500 is like there. I'm gonna keep this level, but I'm gonna keep this low of the day and these previous highs that for me are still the important one, to look for possible targets, to look for possible direction, especially like hopefully we can get a nice, can we get the freaking move? A nice push to this double top here above and this here. Perfect. So if we close below and we start to sell off, definitely I'm looking for shorts. I'm looking for anything today. I'm ready definitely to sell below this area and ready to buy where, I'm not sure yet. I need to have an area of buying. Live stream is on. I hope everything is on. Everything is ready. Welcome back, everybody. Streaming is gone, right? Yes. Stream health, everything there. Market is opening. Wow, market is just opening and it's skyrocketing to the downside. We have this area I'm looking right now. We already bounced from it. These are as well a little bit of support here. I will be careful because I would love to see this double. Look at this double bottom here with beautiful push. We didn't grab these previous highs, but I'm interested for downside up to these lows, to be honest. Let's see how it wants to evolve. And this may be the real level we want to take care. As we found support here, we're right now grabbing it. Let's go to the 50-minute chart. 50-minute chart, we're already there grabbing some lows. We already grabbed this one, came lower. That's beautiful. To look for downside, this was already a beautiful short. It was like 20 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago, to be honest. This was a beautiful short. Grabbing this to come here for the lows. That's beautiful short on the 50-minute chart. Nice risk reward there. Even up to 2.4. Wow, that's beautiful there. We are coming lower, but are we gonna bounce from it? I'm not sure, to be honest. Seems no one is here today. Usually I can see people commenting from the start. Maybe it's Friday. Oh, so tired. Why I'm so tired, guys? I have to sleep more. I don't know. Will they go long here? No. I don't think I will go long here, guys. Hello, Zog. 40 year. I don't think I will go long, even if we grabbing these lows. Yeah, for me to start look for longs is above this level. Yeah, above this level, look for longs. It's hard for me to think about longs here. To be honest, in a different maybe time, maybe I would go long now that closing. Yeah, well, I'm good, man. What's up about you? Hope you're doing great. Not many people today. Good morning, Nick. Everyone is back now. Salam, hello, traffics. Alaikum salam, brother. Vehicle enthusiastic. I wanted to buy 10 bulk 50 pair, but I think I have to buy one at a time. Is there any way I can? No. Unfortunately, it's something that has been, I think, asked by many people, but yeah, you cannot do that. You need to really buy one by one. One by one, I'm sorry. Hello, Mufti. Good morning, guys. I don't know what to do here. No, I don't know. I mean, I'm just waiting to see what markets wants to do a little bit more. Does it wants to hold or does it wants to come back above? If here, maybe a long, it kind of closed red, but closed above. I will just do it one by one, vehicle enthusiastic, just because it makes it easier. I think it's better if you do it one by one, so avoid problems. Stream from the beach. Yeah, yes, yes, Black Panther. Yes. Next week, I'm gonna catch up on all that. Next week, I'm gonna catch up on all that. Better live stream and better occasion and everything. These few days, also. Just got to Brazil. I don't know what, to be honest, I want to do a vlog day about Brazil, but I still don't know exactly what to put in. I would like to make it fun. No, I'm in Brazil now. Brazil. I went to surf yesterday, guys. I felt amazing. I felt amazing. So what is the downside of surfing? It's freaking paddling back. So you do the waves, and then you're like, oh, I have to paddle back. But apart the paddling, great feeling. I caught a few waves. I caught one two without instructor because of course at the beginning the instructor push you, but I caught one or two without instructor and I managed to put myself up. So I feel like great. I was like impressed. Good balance. Like wow, didn't think that good. So I'm happy. So I'm gonna surf more. I'm gonna surf tomorrow morning too. Just This long is there, guys. This long is there for the moment. Taking longer. This 3 minutes weak candle. What is it? Somewhere somewhere here. I was more interested on shorting this market, but this bounce and up to these highs can make sense. We're inside this range. Rangy bounce. So it did make sense. It did make sense, but let's see. Risking $66 to make 106. That's more than one. That's more than that was more one than two risk reward. That's a beautiful risk reward here. I didn't see that was a beautiful because risking here $300, and that makes you will make if I was gonna go for the normal sites, I was risking 4 micros, for example, $260 and making 616. Beautiful. Let's see if it's gonna work anyway. I'm gonna wait and see if I get another entry signal somewhere. Like to see gold. What is doing gold today? Let's see gold. Gold pushed nicely there, or I'm wrong? I did a mistake. Wow. Wow. For all-time highs there. What? Shadow, yes. What? I didn't expect it. I didn't even notice this shit. Whoa, okay, let's go to the hour chart and see if something is possible to make in these longs. Like we can have maybe a nice entry where we can play a continuation. So now we have some consolidation. Let's go to the 3-minute chart, 15-minute chart. Pushed. Maybe this will be the best low to be taken. Best low to be taken, this one. strong closing should be at least above this area here, probably. This one is good. I'll say this closing here. What the fuck? Somewhere here. This is like already supporting. I'm not sure exactly that. Let's go to the 3-minute chart. Frequency is like rating Apex. How much would be the activation fee if I pass? They don't mention that. Yeah, no, it's mentioned. It's mentioned. And if you go to the main website as well, you'll find the big banner. It says that 25, 50K, 100K account is $65. 150K, 250K, 300K is $125. It's mentioned there in the website and in the Discord and in the emails. I mean, it's mentioned. It's because it's a promotion. It's the latest promotion always connected with the as well activation fee. So always the activation fee is promoted in a different way. So this time it's $65 for 25, 50K, 100K. For me, the best account is 50K. I always advise that one. No matter if now they are all the same price, you have to think about which one is for me does not ask me too much risk reward to pass, and then I can get to pay out. So I would say yes, 50K. I'm doing well, to be honest. I have not traded the last 2 days, like no trades. Actually, I taken no trades. So that's very interesting for me. Usually that does not happen. But right now we're finding some push here in gold. Interesting. But it's pushing right away. So if this candle closed a little bit strong, maybe you could have looked for longs here. Let me put all these in the that long in NQ is going well. We can take first payout. The first payout, depending on where is your balance, is minimum $500 up to 2K for a 50K account. Maximum is $2,000. For the first 5 payouts is capped. For the first 3 payouts, you have to have cushion, and up to the 5 payout, you have capped of $2,000, and after that, you can withdraw everything you have inside. $90 is the evaluation. Then it's you have to pay. That means all evaluation right now is $196. All of them the same price. If you use the 90%, you have $19.60. And just then below that, in the website, you will see lifetime PA fee activation is $65 for these certain accounts and $125. Yes, definitely, guys. The renewal is 50%, so don't let it renew. It's a 90% off. Pay for the evaluation. Try to pass it in less than a month, and then cancel the subscription. It's my advice. Even buy and cancel right away, so you don't forget. Because anyway, you already paid for the month. So even if you buy now and you cancel right away after you buying, you save yourself for forgetting a subscription. That's my advice. My advice, and I work even for Apex, and I give you this advice. Buy, cancel the subscription, and you better buy another one than forgetting that renewal. $85 with everything, right? That's the way. 25, 50K, 100K, $85 all package. That is the funny fix. Is this price was it's a little bit higher than the previous promotion, but it's interesting because people prefer, and I understand, people prefer very low price on evaluation than higher price and a little bit higher price on activation than deposit, because this allows them to not spend too much on evaluation, and if they don't pass it, they didn't throw away $80. And I understand that. When dark race? When dark race, you ask there. And ducky race, ducky race, ducky race. At least now, if I do that race, it won't cost me. It cost me $20. Will be the duck race, because that's the price of the valuation. We can do one today, or maybe two. We can do one today. Yeah, we can do one later. But o Brasil. Muito obrigado, Bad. Estou aqui em Brasil. Man, amazing. I love it. I freaking love it. It's super safe as well. It's super safe, Floripa. Amazing beach yesterday. I went to surf yesterday. Wow. I have to create all the vlogs around this the next days. Brazilian life and trading. There is a malediction. Malediction? No, malediction is not it English. A curse. There is a curse. Every time I make videos, something a red day comes. A red day comes, and we don't know what's happening, but it's. I'm not. I don't know the reason, but it seems I have a malediction, a curse. Ah, 90% off with code Hamza. Thank you for using my code and supporting the channel, guys. Let's see. These things is coming back, not take profit. So these things will be like, oh my god, I'm back from in profit of 4 contracts. I profit of $520 to down $100 there. Wow, that's some. Let's see. I'm interested. I'm interested on playing this market. I'm really interested in playing some. I think today we're gonna have an entry. It's looking interesting. Does it wants to come, grab these lows and close again above? That will make it even more interesting for longs. Instead, if it doesn't want to do that, does it wants to come back, break, and start to use this level as a support, as a resistance, and look for short? Maybe. Right now, still chopping there, like in a range. 50 minutes range is closed. This is our 50 minutes range right now. Do you like 50 minutes ranges? It's there. How long will I stay in Floripa? 2 weeks and a half. 2 weeks and a half, my friend. I don't know, I got some weird request from, what the heck? We're coming lower. Short gold. That's interesting. It does look it wants to come to the low side for sure. Short gold. I'm looking at where I can buy it. I want a little bit more push from oh, I had the wrong chart on the other one. Oh, 3 minutes. I want my 3 minutes. To be honest, it does more look for. I look at more for longs than short here. Even short, going long here, stop loss here, would still make sense for me. Grabbing these lows, holding this level. This is a nice long for me. It's true that this one took this one, but this is like a freaking push higher. So this is just the market trying to find something to do there. But let's see. It can be interesting, guys, for longs here. hold this level, grab it, and we want to push higher. Thank you. Breaking to the downside, guys. Luckily, we didn't take the short. Luckily. Let's see what it wants to do. We're gonna leave it there because that's not our entry there. We're gonna leave it play. I'm looking at this gold. Yeah, I'm looking at something like this. But maybe it's gone, but it's okay. Because it's let's see, what is it? Short, long, something like this. Ah, you risk these lows, you aim for these highs. It's a bit more than 1 to 1 there, 1 to 35. It's already happened there. Call your short in NQ. Very good job, my friend. I'm gonna look what I can do with that. ES as well right now. Finally take some lows. Yeah, that's annoying. Okay. I was looking at gold, but this candle was huge, and then it came back. It's very interesting. I'm gonna keep it there, and if it shows up a possible pullback to grab some longs, I will try a long in gold. Let's see, guys. There's a level that's holding. We grab it low. Yeah, I will look for longs here. Well, let me get an entry, guys. Here, let me get an order. $77. So risking 4 contracts. No, that's a bit too much. Risking 3 contracts. Stop loss there. And TP here. Let's see if I get filled. Gonna leave it there. Don't think I will get filled, but if it wants to fill me, I will look for these longs. But if it wants to fill me, I will look for this long to come back and grab, break above. I don't think it's gonna happen. It seems it's going without us, but it's okay. Let's see NQ now. NQ seems like a very on the shorty side. Back to discipline. This is done for the day. Very good job, my friend. Discipline, man. Discipline. Discipline pays off. Consistency. Accepting losses. I watched a video about consistency today. Consistency. That's what matters. People are not there accepting losses, not accepting red days. They do very well for 5, 10, 15, 20 days. And then they see all their work and profit gone in a day. In a day. Month of. That's what the thing is that many people don't get, is that you're not destroying the profit of the day. You're destroying a month of discipline. Okay, you're not getting the order here, guys. I'm gonna remove it just to be safe. But that's annoying. I could have done better. I think I could have. I didn't know. I was not even sure that much. So, but yeah, nice long here. Nice long. Let's see NQ if it's gonna give us a shot. NQ setup possible. Setup possible to longs or short. To longs. It does look more for longs right now than, yeah, it does look more for long. Because when you grab these lows, we didn't grab these highs. So now we have more people shorting. We have a double top there. We have big double top here too. And gold reached the profit target. Piece of crap. Piece of crap. One more minute. Oh la la. Nice closer there. 40 seconds, risking $100 to make $140. Yeah, I like this. Let's see if it's gonna give me just a little bit of better of an entry, just to have don't have that much. 320. Let's see if I can get a little bit of a better entry. I'm long. I'm long, guys. I like because we pushed as well in ES very nicely strong. Gonna aim for these highs here, $400. The reason as well I like this is this ES nicely closing above after we grab these lows. So we have a nice ES as well, grabbing and closing strong. So this push as well from ES was nothing. We stopped out more people. Before it did not stop out anyone. Let's see. I do like this long. Gold. Gold, unfortunately, did not do it. It went. It was a beautiful trade here in gold, but I would say good. We saw it. It's a win. It's a win that we saw the trade. Gold is in the rise. Gold is rising. Gold might go to the all-time highs, guys. And all-time highs is very, very close. It's literally what 13 points. Yeah, it might go to all-time highs today in gold. What will be amazing in the next 4 minutes, guys, is that we see this 15 minutes candle in NQ closing like that, nicely green. If we do that, this trade will make sense even more. If not, this trade will be a losing trade like it's looking right now. But the point is, if we see this closing above, will be very nicely, very nice. We're inside the 50 minutes range. We faked out 50 minutes range breakout people as well, just to find excuse to feel good about this trade. Yeah, all these 50 minutes people that were gone short here, got stopped out, hopefully, or they will stop me out. And then it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. For me, the short idea only it makes sense if this prince comes here, stop out again these people, closes lower, then I will be like, oh fuck, it's really forming a short entry. Until then, let's see. Continue pushing, market, continue pushing. Where was the market open today? Here. Market open is here. Is good, my good old times opening market. Opening session, opening New York. If we see that 50 minutes candle closing really nicely strong, this trade will make even more sense. Come on, come on, market. Give it a nice break of this area. Nice, super huge candle. Fly away. 2 more minutes. More short sellers there. ES coming lower. Not liking it that much anymore on ES. Looking at ES right now. I'm gonna keep holding it because I want to see this 50 minutes candle closing first before thinking about anything, if I'm wrong or not. I want to see this 50 minutes candle closing in 1 minute and 20 seconds. Do we have news, by the way? Friday. Western investor, 10 a.m. That's nothing. I mean, I don't really give a shit about any more news about 10 a.m. or 9:45. 95% of the time are useless bullshit news, and especially when I trade something like this, they will do something like that. Oh, it's a bit, yeah, and they do something like this, and my stop loss and take profits here. So I'm like, okay, it does not really do anything to me. It's 10 a.m. in 35 seconds. And we're gonna see, I want to see this 50 minutes candle, how it wants to close. In 25 seconds, I want to see this 50 minutes candle, how it wants to close. Is it gonna close nicely green, big wick, grab this previous low, 11 seconds, then this trade will make even more sense. Showing, big wick candle, but we didn't grab anything during this New York session here. We didn't grab these ones. So now it closed nicely green. Ha. Now it looks more interesting for longs, even more. It's breaking down. It's breaking down, guys. We're gonna get stopped out. It kind of felt it was not the best somehow, but it's okay. It was a great setup no matter what. Support, even ES felt amazing, and then ES just crashed down. So these things, good things is gonna stop us. And if it stops us, it's gonna be okay loss. How much we're losing there? 3 contracts. That's good. I didn't go with 4. So 3 contracts is $316. So we're gonna lose 1 trade there. Let's see if we're gonna be by the chance of God, we're gonna see we're gonna see this coming back, but I don't think so. We're gonna get stopped out. Closing the wick red. We're gonna leave it there. Play as it was, as it wants. The best trade, I think, for the moment, as much as I like this long, still like it, but we'll see. The best trade for the moment was gold, because we had a very bullish situation. Support was grabbed, closing above, long was there. So that's I think this was like the A+ setup. This one, we'll see if this thing turns back to green. That would be insane, but I'm gonna bet more on the red side, because ES is just a plumbing down, guys. It's just gone down. We're gonna get stopped out. Yeah, this shit is gonna stop us, these things. Just because we don't have anything. ES doesn't have anything lower. Yeah, ES does not have anything. This is what it is. Not even an entry short if I wanted to enter short, because my idea of short would have been these people. Right now, if I want to think about shorting, these people has to come back, stop out these people, and look for an entry again lower. Then I would be like, yes, I'm gonna go for shorts. But for the moment, we're closing very nicely red, and it's coming to our side. Goodbye, my lover. It was beautiful. It was beautiful. Goodbye. Thank you for fighting. Thank you for trying. Thank you for being here. It was appreciated. Say goodbye to these $300. We will recoup them on the next trade. The only things I really didn't like about this long idea, and I said it before in, did I say it before? I said it before. The best longs were above this area and shorts below this area, and here between was better to leave it. And I said it at the beginning of the day. That's the funny things. We're gonna get stopped out. I'm gonna flatten everything in Trader Pro. And it is the funny things, as I said it, a long above this is the best, and a short below this is the best. No short up happened because it did not happen. And this long's idea I didn't take at the beginning, also because of that, did not like the idea of going long. And I said it to myself. We grab these lows, definitely adapt to the market, but it's good. We took a loss, my friend. We took a loss. And we went long here, stop loss here. Unfortunately, it did not hold. Yeah, so it is what it is. We're gonna accept it. I don't think. Yeah, I don't think I was not really convinced about this long, to be honest. I was still mostly short bias on this situation, especially when we came lower and how we came lower in the last period. Yeah, and I think this double bottom here is the goal. That's okay. We learn, we move on. I just have to repeat it again. They are not always the same. Yeah, they're not always the same. If not, I will be always profitable. I will be always profitable if I were always the same. And unfortunately, they are not. They are not, unfortunately. So many people at work are texting me. Let's see if we can get an entry. I think mostly short right now. I will look mostly for shorts. If it happens. If it does not happen, I think I'm closing the week with $400 loss. $100. Can I text you? You can text me in Discord. I avoid private texting. Wait, Shadow, you mean? You're Shadow. Shadow, you're Sean? Are you Sean? I forgot that Shadow is maybe Sean, yes. How much payout do you take from Apex? All here. Yeah, I was like... Oh man, I'm confused. All my payouts are here below. Last year payouts and this year payouts. So for example, give it a second, it's gonna turn. You are the Shadow. No. The Shadow. Man, my brain is not working today. My brain is not working today. What? This fix is not turning? The video loop? Yeah, it's turning. Okay. The heck? Okay. Okay. Last year, $22,000 of payout. This year, $4,570 of payout. Yeah, Shadow. Shadow Sean. You're Sean. I'm so confused. Man! Kyle! I forgot that you have that nickname. Freaking hell! I was like, Shadow Sean, Shadow Sean, Shadow Sean. Kyle, freaking hell. Yes, man. Sorry. You saw me losing today. I had to look in the Teams group to see I now realize it. I realize it now. Now I remember everything. Yes. We are losing money. Can we get a short in the last 20 minutes? I don't think so, but we'll see. The double bottom is the goal. If I really wanted to play something aggressive, no, it's, I don't want to say with if and no. Fuck it. I was a nice long that one here. Still, I would still accept it. Previous grab, hold it, come back, could have come back with this double top created afterwards, because this before no, but afterwards, yeah. Because also this is why this one was not really the best long, because this one grabbed these ones. Apex does not use Rise. Apex uses direct bank account transfer if you are from USA, or use a bank transfer through a service, a third-party service that is called Plane.com. You cannot register in Plane.com until you're not invited or you requested a payout. So the moment you request your first payout and you're international, the first payout is the slowest one, because it takes time from you to get an invitation to Plane, register, put your bank account, Apex gets notified, money gets sent, and then you receive them. This is the first time. Then the second time is all automated. So yeah, you will get paid from Plane.com. Plane.com is gonna convert the money directly to your bank account of choice. That's international payment transfer. So if your bank account has Indian currency, Plane is gonna convert it, and I think they do a good conversion rate. I've used them before when I was converting to euro. Fair conversion rate, to be honest. Great support they have as well. Replied like in no time. Very great support service as well. We took a loss. We're back at $51,200 on the accounts we're looking to get payout. Let's see what he wants to do. We still have time to take a short, if it creates a short opportunity. If it does not create a short opportunity, we're gonna call it, accept the loss, and move on. I'm looking if, yeah, the nice, yeah. Look at this long idea here. I didn't like the hour candle. I'm looking more at what could have been my avoided, and I think it's right. The hour candle closed here, still very bearish, no matter if it closed above. Learning, surviving until I get good at it, at this shit. I do good, then I do bad, then I do good again. But overall, I'll give my trade a good trade. I could avoid it. I think I could have avoided this trade. I was looking for my best setup. That's the one I'm trying to be. It's like, look for the best setup. Miss trade Monday, miss trade Tuesday, miss trade Wednesday. Take one trade Thursday. You make $600, and don't miss a trade on Friday. That's what I have to consider myself. Is like, if I'm not 100% convinced, don't take it. I'm good watching you, buddy. I'm going to go. Yeah. See you during the working time, my friend. Going back in 20 minutes as well. Too quick at 940. What is it? 940 here for these highs. Interesting. Yeah, I think a short here would have made sense for my point as well, putting a stop loss above here, and it was still fine. Flag break. I have to go to the 1 minute. Yeah, that's it was a bit forcing today. Still, this one I liked it. Even yes, it freaking faked me out. I mean, not faked me out, but yes, gave me a nice push as well. And I was like, okay, it's holding there, holding my shit. Yeah, I have to be more like more. Okay, what is the general direction coming from on the last hours? Okay, we're selling off aggressively. Even it's true that we're coming very high here, but that was unfortunately very bearish candle there on ES. That's okay. I'm gonna wait to see what is a nice a nice short created here. I will be happy to take it. If it wants to do it, the target will be here, these lows, even at this one if you want. I'm gonna give it the time. 15 more minutes, 20 more minutes, and then we'll be done. Unfortunately, it is what it is. Losing is normal. Losing is normal. And now I cannot lose my accounts because convert them it costs much more than $6. I cannot use the technique of $6 activation fee. Back to super discipline. We cannot blow anything, guys. We cannot blow anything. Let's see how it goes. Let's see if it wants to push and stop these people right now. Come back and close lower and look for short. If I pass level today, can I wait to see if they bring back the chip? You can wait as much as you want until the evaluation subscription is active. So for example, if you ban an evaluation right now is valid for 1 month. If you decide to cancel it, it's valid anyway for 1 month. If you decide to keep it active, you pay for the renewal and it's valid anytime you want to convert it. So yes, you can decide to convert as you desire on your whenever you want. Have you ever thought of like reversing your position if it doesn't go as planned? Vehicle is asked a good point, but in this period, I'm mostly because even if this was a short, like to be honest with you, that's what I was thinking. If this push was coming a bit higher, stopping out these people and closing lower, I will definitely look for short, close my position, look for short, and look for the next target. I think I would have done that 100%. But just because this did not happen, there is no entry signal for me to the short side. Then yeah, I kept my long position. But yeah, even the 1 minute chart here, you see, we came short, tack, we didn't grab anything, pump lower. So right now, what I would love to see is these things to come back, stop these people out, and give me a short position if it wants to do it. If it doesn't want to do it, peace and love, we accept it, we move on, and we go to the next trade, hopefully. Oh. Very selling off right now. This support here did not hold at all, and we're right now just selling. Hopefully we can get an entry. Hopefully we can see this candle coming back, stopping out these people and closing lower. Nice short, boom. I will look for short. Okay, right now it's doing it. Are we gonna take a short? Ooh, that'll be interesting. That'll be interesting, guys. I'm looking for that. Give it to us. Give it to us. Give it to us. Push a little bit more. Come on, push a little bit more. This is like the standard situation. It happens. Nice weeks, buying, coming back, pushing out, blam, 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 falling down. But we have to wait. Yeah, it's. I know it's. But I want this. I want these lows. I will take the short. I will take the short. I want these two lows, the big double bottom there. I don't think if it happens. I don't think it's gonna happen like that. I promised I was gonna do a duck race. We're gonna do a duck race, right? I promised before and I forgot about that. Duck race. Duck race. Duck race. Duck race. Duck race. Okay, who's gonna comment from now for the next up to 25? No people coming later to tell me, sorry, I'm late. No, you have 6 minutes from now to text down your name. This is to respect everyone that are here. Traffics, first one. From traffics on the way go. Traffics. Traffic, Zog 48. Zog, Zog 48. Zog 48, brave dame. What the heck is brave dame? Move. I beg to differ, sir. Nick Whitton. Soul Surfing, my friend. Hello, welcome back. How to enter? You just enter, my friend. You just comment. Ha! That's enough. Comment in the chat. Leave a like to the video. How many likes there are in the video? I swear to you, if there are less, okay, there are 12 likes. I was gonna get you guys. I was gonna get you. I was gonna get you right away. But that's maybe you're gonna get the duck of Nick. Maybe you're gonna win. So we are 6 people right now. New one there. Vivi. 7 people. 7 people in the race. $20. You can buy an Apex account. Just remember to use my code. So some part of the money comes back to me. Smart. No, but you can use the money as you desire. 90% off. Code Hamza there. Code Hamza every time. Shit. On steroid. Welcome. 8 people. We have unfortunately didn't grab any shit. Let's see. We still have time for this short. Until you didn't grab anything, we look for shorts. We have 4 more minutes for the race. Make me a win. I hope you're gonna win, my friend. I hope you're gonna win as well. Status master. Check gold. People telling me that is crashing. Let's go. Whoa! Gold selling off. Gold selling off. Holy NQ. Next try did. Next try did. Welcome. I'm putting you for the giveaway. Maybe we do 2 giveaways. If we are too many people, we do 2 races. Same people. So at 25, we do the same people anyways. Just don't text anymore because I don't have much time. Good stuff. Hello. Race again here. How many people are we are? Because I don't see too many people here that I don't even know. We are 13 people? How many people we are? Only 13? It's with so many new faces? 10 people? It's not even here 10 people, but I have 11 people in the list. How the heck it's possible? It's someone of you using double account on YouTube. I will find you guys. I will find you. If you're using the double account on YouTube to get more chance to win, I will find you. Freaking hell. If I'm seeing a nice strong candle closing maybe, but NQ, what is NQ? Went to the double bottom? Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Are in shorts? Zog, look, I'm still looking for the shorts in NQ. 2 more minutes and we look for we look guys to go for the giveaway. 2 more minutes. You just need to comment in the chat. Say that Hamza is beautiful, is the best YouTube trader in the chat, and you can be in the duck race. So that's it's not that much, right? Gold is selling off nicely. You want to be in a duck race? You just need to say that I'm sexy. Say it. Say it. Say it. I'm the best YouTuber, dog. That's the way to do it to win. You're gonna get the best duck. You're gonna get the fastest duck. Double bottom guys reached and broke without us. No opportunity to enter. The only one that was a liquidity grab was from here at the top. We grabbed it, we came lower, and after that we didn't really grab important highs before getting to double bottom. So it unfortunately got to the TP I was looking for. Longs that I was not really convinced, and unfortunately it is what it is. I have to accept it and move on. Unfortunately I take a trade I should have not traded, but it's okay. Let's go and let's make this race happening, guys. Let's whoa, here. You see yourself there. You see yourself here, then you see yourself here too. And it's duck race time. I need to see this one lower so I can see your comments. Sexiest trader answer, that's what I want to hear. Back guys, we're 11 people running. We're gonna put 45 seconds race, no, not anymore. 45 seconds race, where the heck is the 4? Set. We're gonna shuffle this character to make them that I like a bit more fun, a bit more fun, a bit more fun, a bit more fun. Yes, we're ready, guys. We are ready. 3, 2, and let me zoom it a bit. And we go. Well, good luck to everyone. $20 giveaway. And we're gonna do another one with the same people here, the same people, and you can win twice. Next slide, it is there in the front with the English soldier, but we know to be in the front is not the way. On steroid, just waiting. This is the captain. He knows how to swim. Who we have here? The shitty. I beg to differ. Is a really shitty color. I don't think he's gonna win with that shitty color. 10 seconds. Right now the push. We see Batman pushing. We see Nick Zitton pushing. Nick Zitton. Nick Zitton. Oh, Nick Zitton. As the Nick Zitton. Ah, well, Zitton is Zitton. You won. You know what? Witton. I put Zitton, but it's Witton. You won, Nick. $20. Nick Witton first, OnStar second. I called you Zitton all the time. You like to thank everyone, you, for not winning. Race again, guys. $20 more giveaway. Who wins again? I typed his name wrong. It does not work, right? Yeah, it does not work. That was not your name. Another race for another $20, guys. Pushing there. We have. Let's see, Nick. If he's gonna win again, that would be crazy. On steroid was second before. Pushing back 18 seconds, we know is the last second. Something is gonna pop out here. Something's gonna pop out here. Tanver, Gutov is the first time I see someone winning. Next, next. Yo, Gutov was there. Next try Didi was the winning. We have the the Trump the Trump duck. And Gutov, what you were closer, you were there. Next try Didi. And Nick, guys, you text me in Discord. Let me know it's and you text me Discord and we'll figure it out. The payment $20. So it's gonna be, yeah. True red one. Yeah, that's true. True red. Maybe it's the red is the color. Yes, and this thing is dumping down, guys. Look at that. What to do? Do you are you in my Discord? If you are in my Discord, please just go there and tag me in the main chat and say it's you, so I know. But come to Discord. It's the link is in the description, and verify yourself. Text in the Discord or text me, and then we'll figure it out there. Yeah, nice guys. Nice $20 to Nick. $20 to next IDD. Hope you had fun, guys. We might do another giveaway on Monday. Just because the 90% is still running, so we're gonna try to put it run. But unfortunately here we have losing day, plus $40 loss of the giveaway, and yeah, no entry here, unfortunately. I wish this fence was coming back a bit lower. This long was nice, but we were coming lower, but it's okay. We're gonna accept it. Guys, I have to go. Have a good one. I forgot. I have a meeting. Love you all, guys. See you around.